Hi, this is Kevin with KGMGM, owner of Pro Advertisers Club, a totally free site to advertise. Go to ProAdvertisersClub.com, join for free today, and start advertising for free. Okay, let's knock out the daily reward, the sneak attack. Still having a rough time on Silver 3. Watched a video today of an OG. I think it's Luke Plays. I'll have to go check that. But anyway, the point I want to make here is he made a video on Bronze 2. He wanted to get up to 400 points. And he played, the video's like 40 minutes long, and he played for that entire time. It ended up right back where he started. That's what I mean when I've been talking about something changed in the last couple weeks here. I have found myself battling for hours and hours and watched a ton of videos. Everything that was working last season is not working this season. And it seems I'm getting matched up very good. And he found the same problem. He fought for, and this guy's an OG, he fought for that whole 40 minutes and couldn't even get the 400 points on Bronze 2. And he was confused. Because he hadn't battled Bronze in such a long time. I don't know if it has anything to do with Splinter tools. Evidently, it matches up. It does some computation. It's a bot or something like that. Could be. I don't know. I'm just saying it's you'll play a long time and not get anywhere. It just all your gains will be wiped out, and that's what I mean about the difference. So I'm trying to find the answer. I don't know if they've changed something, the algorithm. If it's that there was another video I watched where there's and I think it was Luke also, he hosted 4 other OGs, and they did not like Splinter Tools, saying they considered it cheating. And when I went and looked at it, what it does is it computes your last, it somehow connects into it's an extension, and it somehow connects into the game for you, and it will analyze your cards and how you place them, and then it will come out with the one against the player you're playing. I don't know. I didn't even want to use it. And I mean, obviously, it's not working because I'm not getting anywhere. But I played for 3 hours total since yesterday, and I'm back right where I started. So I don't know. I've got different cards. It's the same cards got me to gold, 6 points away from gold 1 last season. So it is what it is. So anyway, let's open up this reward and see what I'll have. 2 chests, I believe. But the good news is my strategy of not buying packs and buying right out of the market has paid off tremendously. And I'll show you the numbers on that. And I got a card, good. And an epic. That's a nice pull today. Nice. Especially at Silver 3. Cool. All right. So there's that. Nice rewards today. So let me go show you my numbers real quick. 775 total value, 776. This was I had 785 when I started doing the numbers this morning, and I saw it at 795, then I saw it at 765. It is just all over the place. But look at my CP. I'm 700 away from 100,000. And that's because of the new strategy I took on. Rentals went up, but they're not as up high as they were last time. It might skyrocket tonight, so maybe I'll get a good day of maxed out rentals. I should be about 800 right now, but definitely over 4. But anyway, let's go back to here, and I'm going to show you my numbers. And this is Splinterlands 10,000 challenge, not sponsored by Splinterlands at all. I'm going to try to get to $10,000 asset value and pay myself back anything that I invested. And right now I'm investing It's day 117 since I joined, and I'm putting in $10 every other day. I was doing it differently. I was always doing $10, but I was like putting out the packs, the cards, what kind of cards. I said that's just too much. So all I do is I put in $10 every other day, and then I do with it whatever I want, as long as I calculate the $10. I was buying 2 packs out of that $10 and then opening one a day for the video. But the cards have dropped so much that unless you get a really good card, you're not losing money, because all these cards are going to become valuable over time. But I was getting 50 cents asset values, and my numbers were just horrendous. So I said, no more packs for right now until the card prices come up. Let's go buy directly, because there's maxed out cards that are under $10, especially on the rewards, and that's just too good to pass up. And so anyway, I put in my $10 today, so I'm 704. I actually put it in yesterday so I could get the SPS drop value, so I got invested a total of $704. Now remember, the market is pretty much crashed. It's pretty much, I can't even say it's bottomed out, because it doesn't stop bottoming them out, and that's true on everything. But 704 is what I got into it. The asset value as of today, I'm going to go real slow. You can pause. I started recording February 7th, and just look at all the numbers. And I'll go over them here on the bottom. And I've changed strategy about 3 or 4 times. This is the latest one with the packs and cash direct. So 428, 785 value was what I saw this morning. 130 cards, 30,152 cards in the box. A lot more than that because I've sold a lot of cards. But that's gone up. But look at this. From 96.8 to 99.325. I'm almost to 100,000. SPS, even though it came down a little bit, I went up because of all the SPS I got. They're dropping free SPS right now. I've got $90 worth of free SPS. So if I cashed out today, walk away with a $174 profit before taxes. But look at this. Ever since I changed the strategy, right about here, the profit has gone up every day. So you got to be flexible in your strategy. And I'm not a financial advisor. Listen to me on risk. This is entertainment purposes only. Please like and subscribe and join the links below. It really helps me out. But let's go look at see, here's my DC I made already today from rentals. I'm going to use that to buy a gold card. They're as cheap as 40 cents right now. And so let's go. When I said that about the pack, that the cards, even though they're not very valuable right now, they will be. I'll prove it to you. Especially the ones I just pulled out of the chest. Those are called reward cards. And they're about to retire those and put in 6 or 8 more. 4 to 8, I don't know how many. And they just retired some at the end of last year. And yes, I know you're not working. But check this out. This is, the time frame is the only unknown. Just don't know how long it will take. And I showed you yesterday we got 400,000 players a day playing. But these are 2 cents a piece right now, actually less. And there's about 1 million of them. And let's just do the rewards. Okay? That's all we're going to look at. So that's all we're seeing. And these you can only get out of the chest. And that's what I open. The chest you get for free every single day if you complete a quest of 5 victories. And then at the end of the season, you get, depending what rank you are, the number of chests. So let's go look at the most. There's 106 reward cards of all time. So let's go look at the most expensive price. So these are regular foils, right? Legendaries, they're all mixed in. But $110 from 2 cents. 3,137 cards left out of how many? Now, these were the earlier cards, so there weren't probably as many. And I don't know if they ever got that cheap because that was before my time. They've been doing this for about 2 or 3 years now. And but This is the possibility. There's only 26 people willing to sell it. Excuse me. Let's just look at the commons. These are the commons. $3.47 from 2 cents would be what we were looking at this morning. That's huge, especially since it takes 400 of these to max out. So to max it out, would run you about $1,200 to $1,500, and you can buy maxed out cards right now for under $10. That's a hell of a return. So anyway, there's the proof on that. But so tomorrow we've got the end of season, and let's see, in 3 hours, 4 hours, and it is now let's say 6 o'clock. So that'd be 10. So 10 o'clock tomorrow be in the season. So I probably won't make a video till the afternoon. And I'm going to battle my ass off and try to get the silver one. Hopefully I don't get knocked down into bronze. And so that's it. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and have a good day.